It's sugar in everything.
I used to work for the Clorox company way back in the day, and I worked more on the chemical side of things, like the bleaches. Um, but they do own food products. I think Hidden Valley is one of theirs, like Hidden Valley Ranch. I think they used to own it. I'm not sure they still own it. But they would test out these different concoctions they created. You can go up and get a sample, and you can give the input, and they would change the formulation of the salt, fat, and sugar to get it really appealing and taste the best. That way, they can drive more addiction towards it.
Yes, because what they're trying to do is have you hooked. They have extreme addictive properties, right? And it's supposed to make the color last on the shelf, have a long shelf life, and be affordable enough for people to be able to buy a lot of it and keep
Yep.
coming back to it. There is no nutrient density in that product at all. In these products, I should say, not that particular one, but in a lot of them.
Zero nutritional value. And when you get no nutrition, your body yearns for the right fuel.
Mm.
Um, but you can cut out the sugar, and that will directly stop feeding the inflammation and that causes the flare ups.
Yes,
It's pretty
yes,
powerful.
yes. What's another
Number
one?
4 is what I call the barley, rye, oats, and wheat. And and this is for definitely people who have more of the colitis, Crohn's, just gut issues in a sense. If you can eliminate those, because the gluten, it can irritate the gut lining, causing a lot of problems with the gut, mental stuff, brain fog, inflammation, immune flare ups, all those chronic
So
flare ups.
explain to everyone why that happens.
Well, I mean, to, so inflammation is small amounts is good because it cures the body, but when your body is inflamed, it takes a lot of energy from you to let your body heal. So you get sick, inflammation starts to happening, you get tired, you heal, you feel better, right? And so part of the process is things called cytokines. It's just a cell, and those go out and try to attack everything. But then you start attacking your joints. You got having joint pain. Talking about the mood. I mean,
The
it's so
fatigue.
interconnected.
Yes, the fatigue again, the flare
Yes.
ups, all these things, they're all your body is giving you signs, hey, something is wrong.
Yep. Um, Here in the United States, you got to be really, really careful about the glyphosates. Um, Agent Orange extra chemicals they add to it. And that's why you talk about going organic to help eliminate some of these problems with the inflammation of the grains.
That's right. And we all know the organic label is not pure as it once was. However, it's way better than the regular conventional sprayed items.